Hello guys, and welcome back to Retroactivemart. Today we are going to do something different. Thought it'd be interesting to open up some retro cards. So if you've seen my recent short, I teased about this video, so here we are. The video is happening right now. So the other day at the flea market, I found some old basketball cards. Baseball cards, not basketball. These Fleer 1991 baseball. So each pack has 14 cards and one sticker. So there could be some good cards in here, good players. So let's open up and see what we have in here. Should be interesting. So here we go. Let's do the first one. Let's see, these ones, they don't have gum in them, so must have been the year where they started with not having gum in the cards. I don't know, but this anyway is still a wax pack. So from Fleer. So here we go. Let's open it up and find out what we have in the first pack. Oh, here we go. Hard to get it out. There we go. Okay, so here is the team logo sticker. Each pack comes with a sticker. So there is Minnesota Twins on the back. It says Twins Top 10. So that's sort of cool. There's a sticker. And let's check out who we have on players. So here we have Chuck McElroy from the Phillies. There's the back on that one. Let's see. Gino Petrelli from the Rangers. Number 296. Yeah, these ones had just plain yellow sort of background. Yeah, just nothing really special about them. Anyway, here's Lonnie Smith from the Braves. Number 702. Oh, and then we got a checklist. Look at that. The 1991 checklist. Number 717. And then here is Mike Harkey from the Cubs. Sorry if I don't pronounce names properly. I'm not very good at pronouncing certain names. So this one is Mike Harkey from the Cubs, Chicago Cubs. Here's another one. Darnell Coles, Detroit Tigers. There you go. Number 333. Oh, and then now we get one from my favorite team, the Toronto Blue Jays. This is Jim Acker. He's pretty cool. There you have it, number 167. Next one. Pete Harnish. Pete Harnish from the Orioles, another pitcher. 474. So we haven't had any rookies yet. No rookies yet. So this one's Chris James from the Indians. Number 370. And here is Wally Joyner when he was with the Angels. I remember him playing with the Royals, I believe it was. Later on in his career, he played with the Royals, I think. I could be wrong, but that's cool. 317. Oh, this one I don't know how to pronounce. Troy Afnir. I don't know, from the Athletics. Oh, this one might be a rookie card. Doesn't have very many. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. There we go. And, oh, this is a good one. Steve Avery with the Atlanta Braves. Now, this one is a rookie card. Steve Avery's rookie card from number 681 from 1991. As you can see right there, he only has one season, and that's with the Braves there. So that's a rookie card. That's pretty cool. Next one, Keith Miller from the Mets. $155. And the last one for this pack, Kevin Romney from the Red Sox. So there you go. That's pack one. Here is a second pack. As I said, I found these at the flea market, and they were only $1 a pack, so I figured, oh, what the heck. It's a retro cool throwback of baseball cards, and I wanted to open up something retro and cool for my channel, so here we go. Alright, pack number 2. Again, 14 cards and 1 sticker. So let's see what the sticker is this time. I think it's the Dodgers, as you can see right there. So open it up. Hopefully we don't get repeats. Let's see. Alright. There's the Dodgers sticker. And again, it shows the top 10 Dodgers statistics. Alright, let's get into it here. Here's another one. Bruce Hurst from the Padres, another pitcher. Oh, he was around for quite a while. Played with the Red Sox for a bit. There's 533. And then we have Tim Hewlett with the Orioles. That's cool. Oh, here's another good player. I remember Candy Maldonado. He played with the Blue Jays. This one here, he's with the Indians in 91. Let's see. Yeah, this is before coming over to Toronto. That's cool. 373. And then we got a special card here. Look at this one. Kirby Puckett. Special card. What is it? It's a Kirby Puckett Twins outfield Dynamite. 1 of 12 Dynamite. So that's a cool card. 1 of 12 special insert. I think that's the that might be the Provision Sports Art. I think that's one of them. So we got a special Provision Sports Art card there. So that is cool. Next card we have Bobby Rose. Not sure if any relation to Pete Rose. And there you go. Next one we have Walt Weiss with the Athletics. Number 26. And we have Jeff Treadway with the Braves. Number 707. That one was stuck a bit. Here's Tim Teufel with the Mets. Number 162. And then we have Wes Gardner. Another Red Sox. Haven't had too many Blue Jays. Here's Joe Orsulak, the Orioles. Number 487 he is. And who's this? Jeff Brantley with the Giants. Another pitcher. And this looks like it could be another rookie card maybe. Or early card anyway of him. And here is Jim Gantner with the Milwaukee Brewers. The Brewers in baseball are my second favorite team. Really like the Brewers. Wow, he was with the Brewers for quite a while, going all the way back to 77, 584. And then we have Chuck Finley from the Angels. Number 313. And our final card on this second pack is Mark Davis from the Royals. So there you go. We opened up 2 packs of these cards. Fleer 91 baseball. Logos, stickers, and trading cards. There were 14 cards in the pack with 1 sticker, and we managed to get a Provision Sports Art card, so that is cool. Let's see what it says here with the Provisions. Collect all 12 Fleer Provision Sports Art cards. This unique limited edition set is randomly packed in wax and 3 packs. Every star player portrait features bright, distinctive artwork that will make the set collectible for years to come. So, there you go. And that is this card right here. We might manage to get one. That's pretty cool. In 2 packs. There's only 12 of them in the series, so that's pretty cool. That's our best card of the 2 packs. So, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little different video of opening up something cool and retro like these Fleer 91 baseball cards. Thanks for watching, and thumbs up. Gotta get it in there all the time. Thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.